Hey guys, Lech here, in the middle of working on my sauna project right now, and I'm routing some boards to get them ready for my paneling. And I got a little mail delivery, so I wanted to share with you guys because I was really looking forward to trying one of these masks out for this project right now, and also when I'm in the forge for like dust particles and metals, pieces from grinding, stuff like that. So I want to talk about the full face mask. Looks pretty cool. People said it was small and all that, but we'll try it out in a second. I got a 5-pack of them for about 40 bucks on Amazon. It came with filters, a pack of I think 10 for each one. So let me show you guys a close-up. We'll try it out. I figured what better way to try it than when routing some boards. It's the messiest thing you could probably do, at least one of them. But let's take a closer look and then we'll see how it fits and works. So here's the mask itself. I'm guessing all the different brands on Amazon is probably basically the same thing. They just put a different logo on it. It's like a harder rubber all around it. It probably pops out. Yeah, you can pop out the shield, but for the price they cost, it's easy to just replace the whole thing. Adjustable headband. So yeah, I can see what people were talking about. It's small. It's kind of short, but I think it's supposed to sit on your forehead so your hat goes over it or on top of it. But we'll try it out in a second. It has a space for a filter, but these tabs seem to be impossible to pop open. So we're just going to try to pop a filter in like that, which technically you don't need them, depending on what you do. But we have them, we'll use them. That's about it for that. I wouldn't use this for anything serious, but for like yard work and woodwork, what I'm doing right now, this will do. So let me try it on, and we'll go from there. So I believe this sits under your chin, or maybe even on top of your chin. That feels a little awkward, and then this goes away. So yeah, we're gonna go under the chin. So it sits pretty low on my forehead, but it is snug here, decent over here, almost touching everywhere. Fogging up a little bit. They said it's fog free, but I believe this is impossible to have fog free. But I am going to show you guys something that you can use to help prevent that. Yeah, pretty good fit, so let's try it out. So I'm only getting sometimes a little bit fog over here. It's not bad. It's nice not to have anything hit in your face. I did feel, the wood hitting my cheeks and stuff. But let's see. Not much inside. Not really like a speck here. I do probably when I took it off. I don't know if I would work in this all day long. If I'm a landscaper, probably a no-no. Definitely probably switch back to my sunglasses wherever they are. But for quick projects, not bad. Yeah, worth the investment. You don't spend a lot on it, then it's worth it. Pretty cool mask, comfortable. It didn't bother me, but then again, I was only using this for a couple minutes right now. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope this is helpful. Check out my sauna project. I have whole videos how to build a sauna if you're interested. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day. And if you are looking for something to help prevent fogging in glasses, sunglasses, and so on, these masks, this is the stuff I've been using. It's a lifesaver, works great. Also fills scratches and so on, cleaner. And it's pretty non-toxic, you could say. Picked this up at a outdoor show a couple years back, but I guess this is where you can get it. I'm sure Amazon carries it as well. Hopefully that's helpful.